Hi everybody, are you ready for back to school? Well, we are. I was able to grab the twins and pull them away from their sports long enough to get our back to school supplies, and we were able to do it here in one stop. But while I was at Office Depot, I saw something that sparked this amazing idea to create some really cool back to school DIY hacks. I saw fabric transfer labels as well as sticker paper and wanted to create customized school supplies. This is a way for the kids to show off their personalities and what they love while they're at school. Grace wanted to design a backpack. KJ wanted to decorate his binders. And I wanted to create a photo collage on a fabric pencil case. First, I picked out fabric transfer paper. Next, look for any design you like. I started with some photos of our pets and the kids. The kids then ordered some clip art online. Grace wanted flamingos and pineapples. KJ, of course, likes Fortnite and even found Fortnite dance moves. I copied and arranged the clip art in photo editing software. You can find free versions of photo editing online. I laid out the art so they could fit in one letter size page. For the fabric transfer, when it's ready to print, be sure to flip the page to make sure it prints opposite. You will see the letters backwards. Print them out on fabric transfer paper on an inkjet printer. Do not use a laser printer for the fabric. Now, cut out the decals and iron them on wherever you want. This is where you can get creative. If you want to make it super easy, you can have the folks at Office Depot print out your designs on sticker paper. You do not have to flip the page for the sticker paper, just print it as is. Cut them out and design folders and anything else you want to stick your designs on. Grace wanted to design her own backpack. She also wanted a journal to match. Now you have personalized back-to-school hacks that no one else will have. Okay, so all of the information you need on this is in the description below, including links to some of those decals. If you want to take those, you can go have those printed out and use those to make for your own back-to-school DIY hacks. All right, thank you so much for watching. Of course, give us a thumbs up. We'd love you to subscribe and comment below. Tell us some things you want us to make next time. Bye.